Title: Microwave Mishaps. Scene: Nitish, Gulshan and Kalu are huddled in Nitish's kitchen, their eyes glued to the microwave. Nitish, assertively: "My dear companions, I assure you, I have perfected the science of microwave popcorn popping." Gulshan, doubtfully: "Nitish, recall the last time you gave this a shot. The kitchen reeked of charred aspirations for a week." Kalu, laughing: "And I still stumble upon rogue popcorn kernels in the oddest corners." Nitish, boldly: "Have faith in me. This time it's foolproof. Keep your eyes open, and wisdom shall unfold." With an air of assurance, Nitish dials the microwave timer and slides in the popcorn bag. They huddle together, waiting for the spectacle. Gulshan, mockingly: "Brace for impact, fellas. We're about to witness the most disastrous popcorn popping attempt in history." The microwave springs to life with a hum, and Nitish's antics begin. Suddenly, a loud pop and a mushroom of smoke ascends. Kalu, alarmed: "Nitish, you swore this was foolproof." Nitish, flusteredly: "Keep calm, guys. This is just a minor hiccup, nothing more." Another pop, and the microwave starts emitting bizarre sounds. Gulshan, ears covered: "Nitish, your microwave is singing its swan song." Nitish, nervously: "It's just warming up." Genuinely. The microwave starts trembling violently, and sparks begin to spew out. Kalu, pointing: "Nitish, your microwave seems to be on the verge of a meltdown." Nitish, anxiously: "Quick, everyone, silence and take cover." As the microwave door bursts open, they all take a dive behind the kitchen counter, a shower of popcorn raining down on them. Gulshan, rising from cover, popcorn strewn all over: "Well, Nitish, I must admit, that was a popcorn spectacle indeed." Kalu, plucking popcorn from his hair: "Truly, Nitish, you've got a knack for staging quite the show." Nitish, bashfully: "I suppose I do enjoy my popcorn served with a helping of drama." As they commence the popcorn cleanup operation, they burst into a hearty laughter. End scene. End credit roll. How's our show?